All right, this is it for the weekend with our Hillbilly wheel alignment method here. This morning we jacked the front up and cranked a little bit of camber. Actually, we did both. Cranked the camber out of the left and right. And we didn't quite get enough camber out of the right, so we jacked it up again and cranked a little more out. So now we're at the left is at 1 degree negative. The right side is at 1 1/4 degree negative. Then we moved to the back, and I figured probably the best thing to do is just mess with the right side. I didn't adjust the left side at all because that seemed pretty good. It was left side was 1/2 degree negative camber, and this side was positive. And it really looked like this wheel was towed in, so I figured out the camber and toe adjustments on it and messed with them. I couldn't really measure it any way that I could think of easily when I had it up there, so I just moved it around the way I thought it should go. Then I put it all back together, tightened everything up, put it back in the ground, drove it in and out of the garage a bunch of times, and measured it again. So now we're at minus 1.25 camber on this side, which is a bit too much. And we're still at minus 0.5 on the other side. And our toe has come down a little bit. It came down from 3/16 to 5/32, so it came down 1/32. So we can do some more adjustment there. That's it for this weekend. I think we're probably about close enough that we can put the new wheels and tires on it. So maybe some evening this week we'll do that, or maybe we'll play around with the toe and camber setting in the right rear again. I don't know. We'll see.